101 to underground downspouts. How to bury underground downspouts. If you have a really short run as far as a gutter trough where you're not moving a lot of water, then you're going to want a clean out where you can just take the cap off, put your hose down there, just clean out a couple times a year. But usually that's not necessary. You usually have a long enough gutter trough run, you're moving enough water that it really flushes the pipe out nice. Now I got this string flush at the grade. We had a line level on this string. We took it out to the front yard to where the pop-up emitter, where the water is going to be leaving the underground pipe for the downspout, is lower than a foot. This way here in the north in Michigan, we don't have to worry about ice building up in the pipe. Now the pop-up emitter, why is it called that? Well, it's spring-loaded, and when the water starts coming down the downspout tube, the emitter pops up, allows the water to escape, and then after the rain event, the spring takes it back down flush with the grade so that the lawnmower doesn't chop it off. You also want to screw through your SDR pipe into the pop-up emitter so that the water pressure doesn't blow it off, and always drill a few holes so you don't have water collect in the elbow, and that'll also build up as ice in the wintertime. When talking about burying downspouts, this is a question I get asked often. Why not use smooth wall storm and sewer pipe? Here in Michigan, we have weather conditions that create, well, what you see here, a frozen downspout. This is froze completely. You can see where the ice is expanded. We put salt around here just so that this would drain to the storm drain. This downspout was meant just to pour onto concrete and go across the parking lot into a storm drain. However, in the north, we have weather conditions that create what you see here, a froze up downspout. Now, if you use smooth wall storm and sewer pipe, it'll crack and split under conditions like this. And if it's cracked and split under the ground where you can't see it, and now year round you have water leaking by the foundation of your property, whether it's a home or a commercial building, it's damaging. It's going to cost you money. Always use corrugated for downspouts. It expands in these conditions, and then as soon as it thaws, it contracts. It doesn't split. It's a much better product. So for running downspouts underground in Michigan, for French drains, curtain drains, perimeter drains, give us a call.